we have discussed with you how to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. We have shared with you what is sequence, what is progression, what is arithmetic progression for class 10th, and now nth term of the progression like a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dot dot dot. Its general term or nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d for the arithmetic progression. If we take example and we will use this formula for finding a particular term. Suppose I take one example 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13 plus 3 16 dot dot dot. This is an arithmetic progression. First of all, one question may arise whether the progression written 7, 10, 13, 16 is AP or not. How we will verify that it is AP or not? We will go to find the difference of two successive terms. We will notice difference of 10 and 7 is what? 3. Difference of 13 and 10 is what? 3. Difference of 16 and 13 is what? 3. As the common difference of the successive terms is coming same, if that common difference of the successive terms every time is coming same, that is we can say a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2 is equals to a4 minus a3 is equals to a5 minus a4 and so on, then the progression is said to be arithmetic progression. So first of all, there is a type, there may be questions in the exam or anywhere that check whether the given progression is arithmetic or not. For this, what you have to do, as I have told you, first of all, you will go to find the successive difference of the all terms what so given to you. Number 1, we are finding 10 minus 7 3, 13 minus 10 3, 16 minus 13 3. As we are finding in this progression common difference is same, so we conclude yes, it is the arithmetic progression. Now suppose anybody is not permitting us to give the logic that this is the arithmetic progression with this region, then what may be our second option? What may be the second method to say that given progression is the arithmetic? The second method for telling or to verifying or to explain that 7, 10, 13, 16 or any example is the arithmetic progression is what? It is you go to find its nth term, and if nth term of any progression is coming linear in n, we say yes, this is the arithmetic progression. So we will verify with the second approach. First approach by finding the common difference coming same have been done, but if you want to go for the second option, what we have to do? We will go to find its nth term formula. A is 7 and common difference is 3 for this progression. Using this formula, this is known as the formula of finding the general term, formula for finding the nth term. This is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d gives us an is equals to a means 7 plus n minus 1 into d means 3. So an become 3n plus 4. The nth term is coming 3n plus 4, which is what? Linear in n. So if a progression's general term, progression's nth term is coming linear in n, we call, we say, we verify, yes, the progression is arithmetic. So clearly the nth term of the progression 7, 10, 13, 16 dot 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 is coming out to be 3n plus 4, is coming out to be 3n plus 4, which is linear in n. So what we conclude? We conclude yes, this is the arithmetic progression. So there are two ways to verify that the given progression is arithmetic or not. One, by finding the common difference between two successive terms, as many terms are given, or another by finding the nth term. So It is nth term. If I ask you what kind of progression is this, it is increasing arithmetic progression. Now we will tell you what are the decreasing arithmetic progressions and how to check whether the term belonging to the arithmetic progression or not.